gonna have fun.
Are we gonna have a lot of fun?
Yes.
Yay! Come on, let's go. Ready? One, go. Whoa! How about a dive? Oh, that was a long one. Whoa! That was a good dive right there. Oh, you did it. What are you doing? How are you making an angel?
Hi Bryson, what do we have today?
We have eggs.
Eggs.
Whoa, eggs!
What are we
I
gonna
wanna see. I wanna see.
What are we gonna do with the eggs?
We're going to squish and see what's inside.
Did you shake one up?
Whoa, what's in there? What's in there? I heard something. Me too. I heard it. Did you? Yeah. See?
Ooh.
Whoa!
Ooh.
Bryson.
I wanna see too.
Bryson, I wanna see. Whoa, what is that? What is it?
Ooh.
What is that?
It's a dinosaur.
We have to show Kermit and his friend.
Wow! Yeah, I see it. I can see it too. Look at that. That is cool.
Oh, he is so cute and tiny. Let's do another one. I'm moving closer to you. Ooh, is something in that one?
Whoa. I would like to open the egg.
Okay, just a minute.
Wait. No, I'm next.
Okay.
What is it? What is it? I want to see.
Whoa!
What is that?
It looks like
Ew!
Is it a hamburger?
It's a dirty hamburger.
A dirty hamburger!
Oh my gosh! Let me see.
Eat that.
Ew!
Ew!
Let me try to eat it. Give me. Let me see. Give me some. Give it to me. No, give me some. Give it to me. Give it to me.
You always can steer it.
Okay, that wasn't very good.
And what's that little thing you have there?
Juice box.
Juice box?
It's a juice box.
It's a dirty juice box.
It's a dirty juice.
Drink it.
Oh, that was yummy. Yummy.
Let's open the white one.
All right.
Ooh, I better know what it is.
Can you hear something in that
I
one?
bet I know what it is. It's a Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels?
I bet you it's a Hot Wheels. Let me see. Hurry. Who's the bitch at the Hot Wheels?
Minnie Mouse!
Oh, well, I was wrong. Yeah, you were.
Look at the little tiny Minnie Mouse. Oh, shake it up.
Look at him.
What does it sound like that's inside?
What is that? I bet you I know what it is. I bet you I know. I bet you. Hurry. What is it? It's a man. It's a little man.
I don't know his name.
Goofy or no?
Goofy's dad. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Goofy's dad.
Whoa.
I don't know.
That one doesn't shake, does it?
Oh, did you hear something inside of that one, Bryson? No.
Hurry! Hurry! I can't take it. Hurry! Yeah. Hey, that's my eyes. Owie. What is it?
Something fell out.
What is it?
From Minions.
Oh, he's so fluffy.
Oh, it's fluffy. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, and it's a minion too.
Whoa. We're having having so much fun.
It's a toy.
It's a toy.
Oh, I see. Oh, look at the cute little menu. It says,
Oh wow.
this little hat says, I love brew.
Oh, there's another one. Oh my God, we got a lot of them. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Hurry!
Okay, Kermit, you're knocking down the little toys.
No, sorry. I just get so excited sometimes.
I see.
I can't stand it, hurry! What is it? What is it?
Ew!
What?
Fire!
Fire.
It's fire?
Drinky fire.
Oh.
It,
Oh,
it burns your mouth.
It
Oh,
burns your mouth.
it's a hot soda or something.
I'll open it.
No, me. That's hot. That's hot. Ah,
Let me.
blow it. Okay.
Let me get one.
Okay. Thank you. That's better. You look funny. You look funny.
Oh, what is it? A little hot bottle.
Hot bottle.
What's that? Does it shake?
Is something inside of that one, Bryson?
Does it shake? Hurry! I can't do it. I'm so excited. Okay, thank you. What is it? What is that one, Bryson?
Whoa.
What is that one?
Whoa.
Whoa! Is that a Winnie the Pooh?
It looks like a Winnie the Pooh. It's one
it
of
looks kind of like a
those.
Winnie the Pooh.
What do they call those? But they have a name for them. They're called the.
Whoa! You have another one? You've got a lot of eggs. Hurry!
You knocked out the toy.
I did? Oh, sorry.
Ooh.
I like toys.
Buzz Lightyear.
I like
Oh, right! I love Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear.
To infinity and beyond.
To infinity and beyond. All right. Well, I guess there's another one. What color is that one, Bryson?
Purple.
Purple.
All right.
You know, that's one of my favorite colors. Purple. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too.
I like purple. Yeah, me too. What's in there? What's in there? Oh my God. What is that?
It's a dirty nacho.
A dirty nacho. Oh my God, it's a dirty nachos.
I want to pick it up and give it to you.
You want to eat that? I'll taste it. Put it. Let me taste it.
There's another toy in your egg.
Yeah, what's that one in
Oh, there's another one. There's
A
another one.
juice? What is that?
A dirty juice box.
Another dirty juice box.
Why do we keep
Dirty
eating dirty toys? Why do we keep eating dirty toys?
It's garbage food.
Garbage food?
Well,
Look at silly eyes.
Silly eyes.
I'm having such a great time. Thank you, Bryson.
I have a bowl. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Yay! Bryce's story time.